previously recorded. Spread it. Then take the little fans. Alright y'all, so this is what I came up with. The lighting ain't that good, but this is what I came up with right here. And I think it's cute. So it's gonna
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you act, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always stay dreaming, never imagine I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. Higher to a bird.
All right, y'all, so this is what I came up with. All the food ain't out yet, so don't pay no attention to that. But this is the setup. Got the cooler right here. I have the table set up with the horns and masks and caps and picture taking area with balloons everywhere because I was not finna put them up. So I got the balloons on the floor. Never mind that. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. Maybe even a dance floor, you never know. That's what it looks like. Then here's the table here. The sanitization right there. I'm thinking about I'm putting my ribbon up. I don't know yet. I gotta go in the house and clean up, but I got the punch bowls, the punch bowls, the cups. The food is gonna go here. Spoons. I gotta get the napkins over there at Pepper's house. So got that. Then this gonna be the card playing area. Got the table set up. Got to get my chairs to it. And so yeah, everything over there just organized, nice, neat, out the way, you know. So this is what it looks like. But if I hang ribbon, I might come back. So I hope y'all liked it. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And until the next video, boss.